Hello everyone, my name is Miguel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. In today's episode, we will learn how to create a new project in TIA Portal and then how to determine the PLC that it is in the hardware configuration. First, we need to open TIA Portal. As in this episode, we will learn how to create a project and read the configuration of a PLC. We will use the portal view, but not on the portal accessible devices, but on the portal new project. Let's wait until TIA Portal is open. This takes some time depending on the speed of your PC. As my computer, it's a virtual machine, it takes more time than a real one. So I am on the Start Portal in the Create New Project menu, because if I click on Open Existing Project, I will go and work on a project that is already done. So I will go and create a new project. The project name will be Test Project. I click on Create and this will create my project. Look for the path. It is User Sensei Documents Automation. There's something important about projects in TIA Portal. Projects, it's a group, a set of files that are stored in a folder. It's not just a single file. This is something really important because it happens frequently that you ask someone to please give you, I don't know, for some technical purposes, a project that was developed on TIA Portal, and they go to the location of the file, in this case Documents, Automation, Test Project, but as they open Test Project, they only pay attention to this file. And okay, yeah, it looks it caught your eye, but it's not that only file, the project, it's the whole group of the files that are inside the test project folder. So in case someone asks you for the project, give them the whole folder. Going back to our video, we need to go now to Devices and Networks. We're gonna here add the device that we are gonna use. Remember that in our previous video I show you how to check which is the firmware version, and this is really important because here you will add a new device and you have to put the same firmware version of the device that it's online. So we go to the family of the controller, which is 1200. We click on the CPU folder, we go to the type of CPU that it is. It's the 1212 AC/DC relay. In case you don't know why I am choosing this, please go back to the previous videos in which I explain all these steps. So I have here different versions of firmware. Check, this one has firmware version 2.2, 3.0, and this one has 4.2. My PLC has a firmware 4.2. So I'm gonna click add on this one, and that could be all. But also, if you just know, for example, the firmware version, but you are not quite sure about which type of PLC it is, you can do this. Go to unspecified CPU. Click here, you have the same firmware version, and then click on Add. This will add you a CPU, as it says, with an unspecified model. But it will also give you the possibility to detect the version. This detect option is very powerful. It helps you to automatically know which type of PLC you are using. As I told you, this takes some time. Let's just wait the time that we have to wait. Let it be. Now, this is what I was speaking about. You have this pop-up window in which it says the device is not specified. Please use a hardware catalog, which was the first way in which we were doing it. I told you it's a 1212 AC/DC relay PLC, or go immediately to detect. So I go to detect. Here again we have the hardware detection assistant. I click on start search. You have always need to be sure that the PCPG interface is your network adapter. Now I have found it. I click on detect. And look what happens with the PLC unspecified that I had here. Voila, it's already there. It has not only taken the hardware configuration of which PLC it is, but it also has the address of the digital inputs, digital outputs, and the analog inputs. Let's remember what we have done in this episode. First of all, we created a new project. How was that done? In the portal view, you go to Start and create a new project. After the project was created, we went to Devices and Networks, which now is showing us our PLC, but we went to add a new device. By adding a new device, we selected an unspecified CPU. We select the firmware version according to the previous video, in which we learned which one was our firmware version and how to get that information. And after that, in the project view, we had this PLC but blank, and we click on detect. I hope you enjoyed the video, but mostly that it has been useful for you. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like the video. If you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section down below. For today, it has been all. Bye bye!